Meghalaya State Olympic Association, the Meghalaya Wrestling Association, but the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, kila pynlong ya ka wrestling camp, ni ka jingai jinghikai ialehkai lympat Shillong, kabla pynlong kum ka jingpynkhreh, ya ki nongialehkai iashimbynta haga National Games araja arpanyau ka banlong Jylla. Kaniga camp ka balasdang na do ka khatwi tarik unaitung kan sakut no ha ka khatndiu tarik unaitung bat kum bashispa arhungut ki nongialehkai lympat bat kinthai bat chinrang bawan na kaleng kichaka jang ka Meghalaya Klayo ya jinghikai pintibet ya kisab bakidon nalor jinghikai bakin tip shu ya kibut ya lempat kiban pintikna bakin long job. Kego penlong ya kaniga kam ka bakar pang kari ka jingdon lang jong ki coach papau nam ka perthai ki bawan na Japan. Kini ki coach ki kinthub ya u Japanese national coach Yoshimaru Yanagawa. Kanong ialehkai ya lempat ka playo khor ya ka tak maksiar ha ka Olympic arja arpsau ka Sakura Motoki bat ka Ami Ishi ka badminta ya ka nam world champion arja arpsan. U coach Yanagawa ula ai ka jingero ya ka jingai bat jingai ti ha ka ialehkai balapin I de kinong ya lempat ka Jylla Meghalaya. Singap ya ka e ka bawdan ban ong.
Bikram, he gave a message to Japanese Wrestling Federation, and they said they want someone to teach wrestling in here. Also, someone can speak English. That was me, and I'm a National Wrestling Federation national coach in Japan, and I lived in the United States about 3-4 years, so I can speak English. That's why I'm here.
How many countries have you gone?
I've been maybe 25 countries because we have competition everywhere in the world. So we go like 3-4 countries for 1 year. But India is first time. Wrestling is very new in this town, and they started 2022, and they have I heard they have a national tournament in Shillong 2027. So they start wrestling, so we came here to teach how technique about wrestling technique because it's new sport for this town. That's why we came from Japan. Probably not yet because they just started, because many people started from MMA, not from wrestling. And our wrestler, we came here, they're Olympic champion, world champion. They started like 4 years old, and they're like 24 years old. So they already wrestled 20 years every day. So we just started this year, just started wrestling about 3 years ago. So not enough yet, but maybe later, keep going, maybe they make good wrestlers. Yeah, but here, the wrestlers, they listen very good. And they listen to our technique very good. So very nice wrestlers. Everyone is good, very nice people too here. Yeah, they have a good power, but no technique. Because they never wrestled before. That's the most reason they are not that good yet. They just started. Same answer, but they just started. So. They can weight training and stuff like that, but if you want to be a good wrestler, you have to learn wrestling technique. You know, not judo, not boxing, not MMA, wrestling. So you have to learn wrestling technique. So that's most important because you compete in wrestling, right? So that's the most important. You're not bodybuilder, you're not weightlifter, wrestler. So have to learn wrestling technique for sure.
They have a good physical, no technique, but good physical. Yes, so physical, and if anyone get a technique, it's very high level wrestler. Yes, so I want to practice techniques.
kadang ka jingmentoy shibon ya ka association jongi nabenta ki athlete jong ka association jongi bakin yo kani ka international training kan to khamtame nagini ki coach bat ki nongialehkai ki bla dang shu job kani ka Paris Olympics but World Championship ka brang shu dep uni coach belong successful ba hadu kata ba udan hadu saungot ki World Championship gold medalist but te nakani ka daw ngiayo kani ka opportunity banwan yalam uni coach through lengba kani ka Sportality kadi ka sports management company kan tingiayo banwan yalam uni coach haga Jylla jongi namar ba ka don ka benefit ka ba long bangimla so ban batai ban quantify kan namar uni ulala ban produce ki champions haga level ka ba highest level tingi kwa ba some of that also can rub off yakini ki khana jongi kan kin yo jingmentoy lengba mdei tang ki techniques handre ka rukom jingmut jing perkhat ka training method ka methodology kini baro ngi kwa ba ngin yo jingmentoy lengba kani and plus mdei tang coach ru ha jo apor de scientist ru te ula pni kumba phrapho khandai nyophon phrapho li ki papers on scientific training for wrestling te hopefully katoka information ka knowledge ka ba ulala ban impart ki khana jongu hopefully ngin yo benefit yakitu kiju hi techniques but ki knowledge ki khana jongi kadi ga jingshisha normally kamdan budget rana banta international level coaches tangba kani pan ngimle long term ngi shale example kani kalong kum ka introduction to the coaching khrang bu nwanra ki methodology jongki ngin shimi ki rukom training jongki te yakani ngin impart haki national level coaches jongi bakin continue ka system jongi namar ka system jongi ka along proven ka along successful at the highest level of competition te hopeful ba nangni shakmat pat kini ki national level coaches jongi kin yo ban continue ka system jongi of course kin lalik phai no kani ka Shillong short term 1 week coaching camp kin lalik phai no kin coordinate bat ngi ka syllabus jongi bat ka training methodology jongi khnang ba ki coaches jongi kin yo ban impart ki khana jongi ka jingkhme lenti ngi khme lenti be baro kin yo medals lu tangba ka jingshisha kumba ong new coach na Japan wong ba baduna badan kam ban training na banta ba fin yo medal at the international level ka baduna de shiposnam and plus fil adi ban sedang na do sansnam karta you will peak hadin ba fil adab arphuwe arsenam katu kadiga peak joga freestyle wrestling te normally ba fin parkhat realistically at national level ru fin parkhat ki states like Haryana Punjab Delhi Uttarakhand UP kini ki blale wrestling la baduna de la palat 100 years baduna te ngi pan ngidang sedang menta dang arlaisnem te ka ban catch up ngidang bon ban catch up namar bon ki senior players ki baya shim wrestling kan ki baya adopt wrestling namar majority ki MMA fighters te ban ong pure bred wrestlers ngi karang shimpor hi te kani ka Shillong tangkum ka jingbet sambai menta bengin yo ki Olympians let's say in 2036 Olympics lada ngi sedang lupa menta maybe by then ngila man yo ki Olympians nganya tu fi ka benefit jong ka international training kalong ba kalong ha ka quality jong ka training ngamong ba ki Indian coaches jongi kimla kila kilong very capable tangba hangni pat idon itu I ba khandiat ma like sometimes to win a race ka difference ka dei he itu 0.1 millisecond te kaneru kalong hata ka rukom ngiyo itu benefit te iba long namar uni ude coach ba long proven at the highest level of wrestling te haba ngiyo kum kani kala ka opportunity ngishim ya kani namar fin dape kibun ki states ki bla contact yang ki ong ngila ne mangiru ban pha ki khna jongi ha ka coaching camp jong phi de ki international level you know medalists gold medalist ki ba yo banwan ya spar ba ki khana jong phi ki states ki la ya phone yang baro ngilong ne ban pha ki khana jong ru sto te nga so thu ya ka value jong kani hang ta ke
kinong iashimbynta ka jingsngo kamdan jing pher satya lapin pa ya ka jingsngo ya kum kani ka kabu ka banyar bakin yo khamtam banyo ya ki buj ka baki ong bakin long ka jingarap ka bakraw ya ki bakin ang kiyo ka jingilekai kani ka kam dei ka basukut tang ha ka jing ai jinghikai dei ka sin jam bakong san banang jam shakman Kare ke jinghikai benang pentebit ya kasap ya lympat jong nongialehkai ke Jylla berkam tam ha ke jingpynkhreh ki na ka benta ke jingakop badwan kentup ki bahpo kari pachabari kumju. Kalinti sa National Games arja arpnyo keras dang hang ni Shillong pada ke Jylla baro kawai.
Nasokmen bangayo kani kala lat mo kamtam kani kade kalam. I think beningkong ha state jungi ring I think ha regioni in India bangi kumki upcoming athletes like we are very small compared to what their achievements. Kini kilong world class athletes like we see kalong ka opportunity ba ka golden opportunity ma yang aru yala de nama bangayo aspar lang bat kini ki like one of them Miss Sakura ide badai 2024 Olympic champion but ite we Miss Ami kumbaga khade kima sensei the Japanese sensei Ami badai world champion current world champion. So it's very good for me that I even get a chance to actually spar with them. Obviously we are like noobs compared to them tangba ni yo shibon ki jinghikai na kinesia hol dalading idon ki coach bapun hikai ngi tangba jinghikai jo kinesia kalong how to level mo bangi ngim laban yo and let's say dangi train dalading kan sa simporeng ispo alpos nam ai tangba kinesia pat ki pen ingi ki technique basics kumno bandrong kum ki single leg ban stat explosiveness baro ki porbas paru ki pen ilang te ki hikai lang te kalong ka jingkmen kalong ka jingko ka bakrau te kani hoi baro bon nangi ki miss ya kani ka opportunity nga sanggu ya blairu bahula ailat nga bade ki kalong junga hi bro koi ya ka association hi baklawan ra kum kani ka lat kalenti ka pli ka lat yang ite ki ba aspiring athletes kanang bangila ban pet kinesia bangina ban inspire yala de nama ba ho teng jingim gile teng ithat ni kwa give up no tang badang ipet kinesia pat kila train na do badang red they keep on pushing till they reach to the apex right now. They reach the pinnacle, they reach their goal. So maybe we start late, but kumbaong da parang it's better late than never. Once if you don't try, how will you know that you can't do it? So stop thinking, what if I can't? But do it and then see it and then think, what if I can? Kinesa kilapan iyangi ba anything is possible. Only if you are determined, focused, and you know your goal. And obviously, keep God as your priority because as God says, if you keep God as your delight, He will grant you your heart's desires.
Kalong ka ku ma long yangi long ni expect ra bang ni yo hadu kani kalat mo long ki state kalong kadang kam jinjar plus ki Olympians and they are current world champion mo so long nim expect reka ta ka jing long ka jing ku ba yangi ka Jylla yangi dei tang yele di long ki babun te kalong kumno ngon long ka yarap ha yangi te nim nang raban ngam nang raban express hadu ka no long kalong kawai ka jing ku jong play te long kam nimpoi perkap so tang katahi ayu ka jing sumo yu play long lembaga association nambenta jing borok kam tami ki ayu Olympians ma ayu so hadu I coach kilawan hadu Japan chu di sini long kila pelut por ini ta ngiru ngidang shues dang and then ngidon ke potential so ngi just happen le ka baki ra ayu yangi ban bangi dei ban le reputation consistency malagasmi dei katai ka jing fresh tam Katalan kemudian Henry katalan ni ki Shillong tang ke kantin mo Henry ke jing trash tom te ni kalong ke jing trash tom and then reputation kan sapoi so kan siyo ke so ha kan koi ke sini ka long ka the knowledge ngam nang man ong ani kalong hado kan no fi long iu nama ngi practice ang ni yo ki coach ngala julek che euro sari tang ba ni don ni yo ki the techniques ki kai ni but compared to the world champion ki you bawan abar ki balali international hado Olympics kalong kapenyar gi jumut pakat jong ite okay ka iwi don kam shu ban le so ngidang duna ba tang ba ni don kam ka iwi le long repetition consistency malagas ni trade long ni ban trade stom Istam way hadin way dah kajing jarap. And then katang kata ya you. Oh kata ka jing trang jong ni. Kam tam tei tang yang ya borok ka sala kam tam kena jong ni long ngaro ngalai tang student. Ngirap iwe gidon ki ayu jong ni ki perlok jong ni partner jong ni learn knowledge tang ba menta de ki lawan kini tolong idang yo shu tang feel gegap ka ibang ni duna. So kajing semua do kanu alin kawai kalong kadang pentrang shu ka ni kena ban tristom maka don kalat si kamat ini ki ke potential ni